Good morning, everybody. How are you? And it's a, I don't know what it's like there, but it's thunder and I haven't seen lightning, but it's torrential rain now here in Brooklyn. So I am going to go inside and talk about colour and light. Okay, there it is. So through this door here. It's a bit more tranquil in here now, so there we are. That's better. I'll set this up now, and here we are. This is tricky. Forgive my technical inadequacies, but I'm doing all this myself. There we are. Thank you. So here we are in the back room, and since I saw you last, I have been attempting this flower painting, and for me it's been a hell of a struggle, to be honest. I'm trying to do this bright colours, and it got me to thinking I should talk about colours. So those of you who are well-knowledged will quickly recognise what I have down here. The three primary colours. So called because you cannot mix them from other colours. You can't take two colours and mix up and make yellow. You can't mix this blue and you can't mix this red. So they're primary, they're indivisible, and they can only be made that way. So if you take two of them together and mix them, you'll get the secondary colours. There's green, and there's purple. Come on, purple. Deep purple. And these together and we'll get an orange. So those are the secondary colours. Then if you take the secondary colours and mix them with these, you get the tertiary colours, which is the third level of colours. And it goes on like that, you know, in spirals. Like dropping a stone in the water, more and more colours appear. Now, right now, I wonder with this rain, if the rain is going to have the sun coming at the end of it, because once that comes, you'll get a rainbow. Now, I assume that all of you know the colours of the rainbow. If you don't, Roy G. Biv. That's the name of the person, Roy G. Biv. And ROYGBIV is an easy way to remember the colours of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. ROYGBIV. ROYGBIV. Roy G. Biv. Some name that, the Bivs. So that's how you remember a rainbow. Now, a rainbow is created when sun goes through rain. It's like Sir Isaac Newton, when he did his experiment with light going through a prism. It bounces off and it forms different frequencies of the light spectrum, and you can see them when they go through the prism. So it's the same with the rainbow. As the sunlight goes through each ball of water in the sky, whether it's mist or big rain, it will form a rainbow because the light is bouncing, refracting through the little balls of water, and it creates this light spectrum. So that reveals to you God's light, the nature of light, and how it is affecting all of us and what we see. I'm wearing a red checked shirt. It appears red to your eye, but in fact it's the reflection of the red bouncing off through the light spectrum that you're experiencing. The shirt itself is not really red, it's your experience of red that you're experiencing right now. So that's where light is coming from. It's a constant series of things bouncing and refracting and coming off us and going into the eye and being mixed. If you are to be curious about colour mixing, simple experiment that you can do at home is to take just paint a blue square, a blue circle in this case, and put a piece of paper like that behind it, blank, and then just stare at that circle for a few minutes, well, a few seconds, let's not minutes, that'd be too long, but just stare at it, and when you're ready, pull it away, and you will see an after image. For instance, I'm doing blue just now and I'm getting a yellowish after image very quickly. That is the opposite colour of blue. So your brain is constantly mixing up colours, and even without doing anything, you'll get the opposite colour. If I take red, look at it for a few seconds under a good light, and then pull it away. Let your eyes relax into the after image, and I get a kind of greenish opposite colour with that one. Needless to say, if I use green then, look at it, pull it away, and I'll get a red after image. And taking us full circle, the blue gave us yellow, so yellow, if you look at it for a few seconds as a circle and then just pull it away and let your eyes rest on the white, like that. Yeah, I get a bluish instantly, like that, an after image which is the opposite colour of what we've just looked at. So somehow or another, being aware that your brain is constantly mixing colours and that light is coming from the sun and going through these incredible transformations as it goes through rain and mist and forms rainbows, and you can see the actual nature of light, gives us a wonderful appreciation of our outside world. Nowadays it's, even a casual walk is difficult because I go out walking every so often and I feel kind of furtive. I wear a mask now. And people are avoiding eye contact and everyone's trying to keep separate, thank God. But it's not relaxing. So if you have outside space, I can go onto that balcony out there and look at nature and, appreciate seeing it. And perhaps that will reflect into your paintings. This is a very quick talk on colour, and I'm going to do some more later. But that's for all just now. So hopefully, somehow or another with time, I've no guarantee how I'm going to manage with this thing. I'm doing my best, but it is a struggle. I am not a natural flower painter. And also I like to reflect the life that we're in just now. I know some of you are doing great paintings which are showing the kind of moodiness that you feel just now in these strange circumstances. So maybe I'll do a more moody sky. It's evolving, as everyone is evolving now. And let me see how you evolve and what happens. More coming later. All the best for now. A short talk about colour and light to inspire you to do some nice paintings. And later I will have more talks and something about an artist and an art essay. Over and out for now. All the best. Bye.